Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So ngizoshaya ivideo ngomdlalo weOrlando Pirates. Lo mdlalo bafethu abantu abaningi bayamazi bafethu. Bayamazi lo mdlalo lo. I-star seOrlando Pirates okubani okuTito Patrick Maswanganyi. Wasayinwe iOrlando Pirates esuka le kuSuperSport United. Yabo. Ngesizini ka-2022-2023 lapho uJose khona esasana kufika kuOrlando Pirates. Yabo uJose wamthanda kakhulu lo mjida. Singosikhathi simthola kuSuperSport United. Umjida wafika kuOrlando Pirates ewulo mdlali loyo ozosiza inkinga zeOrlando Pirates. And umjida ukufika kwakhe wadlala ngempela. Wadlala ngempela because waba nogazi kubalandeli. Abalandeli abaningi bamjabulela kakhulu. Kwanami ama big fan of Tito Maswanganyi, but ke sekumele kufike isikhathi sikhulume ngaye. Sekumele kufike isikhathi sikhulume ngaye. Umjida uyathandwa, ama-fans ayamthanda. Mephethe ibhola egroundini, ihlwele ziyajabula ngempela. Yabona nama tricks awenzayo enze ihlwele zijabule. But ke kumele sikhulume ukuthi ingabe lezo zinto azenzayo zasisiza yini. Yabo, ada ngimdefend uTito Maswanganyi, but I think it's time now. Isizini esikuyona kusiyona isizini esingadlala ngayo. Kusiyona nje isizini esingenza singadlala khona ama games. We are not playing games now. Now kumele silwe ngempela, kumele sibheke ukuthi ubani kahle abanesikhathi sokudlala, ubani aba serious. Orlando Pirates last season Orlando Pirates binama central attacking midfielders amathathu. Actually ama4 S4 bewuthi Mleleki, mase kuba ubani, mase kuba uDlamini, mase kuba uKaram Kimvidi, mase kuba uTito Maswanganyi. Tito Patrick Maswanganyi was the first guy elect ukuthi adlale for Orlando Pirates. Umjida wayengasinikeza ilutho. Wadlala, to be honest, wadlala kahle umjida isasana kuqala isizini. Wadlala kahle umjida isasana kuqala isizini, but ke kwaba khona lezo inkulumo lezo regarding yena with uJomosono. Nayikhumbula ke number 10 mfethu. Number 10 umjida yamenza angadlali kahle. Iyona into yadala ukuthi uTito Maswanganyi ayigqoke le number le kwi Champions League kuphela, angayigqoki kwi Premiership. Inumber eyabani eyaJomosono. Baningi abadlali kuOrlando Pirates abangaze bayitholele le number le, number 10. But iyangizela ukuzokhuluma ngale number le, ngizokhuluma ngoTito Maswanganyi, umdlali Orlando Pirates eyamsayina eqhamuka le kuSuperSport United. Yabo. Last season for me kuma central attacking midfielders ngangikhala kakhulu. Ngangisho ukuthi siyidinga i-central attacking midfielder ezobangisana noTito Maswanganyi, because mase ubheke uDlamini is not your typical central attacking midfielder. Umjida akamaki kakhulu. Yabo akamaki, but when you look at uTito Maswanganyi uyakwazi ukuma uTito Maswanganyi. Inkinga yakhe sometimes akakwazi ukurelease ibhola ngesikhathi. Sometimes uyakwazi ukuthi ayilwele i-team, but kunama shortcomings kwindlela adlala ngakhona uTito Maswanganyi, but ngiyayithanda indlela adlala ngakhona. Uyakwazi ukusiza i-team defensively other than uDlamini. When you look at uKaram Kimvidi is not your Orlando Pirates type of player. Even right now umjida akekho kwi-team. He was loaned. Bamlonile kwi-club yale eIsrael. So that tells you ukuthi besileka ngempela kwi-central attacking midfield. Angisafuna umbala umleleki nayo uloniwe. Yabo. So yenze njani Orlando Pirates le season yasayina ama-central attacking midfielders amabili. Okubani Sipho Mbule yasayina noSinoxolo Kwayiba from Chippa United. uSipho Mbule simthole as a free agent from Mamelodi Sundowns. When you look at our central attacking midfielders right now, we have 4 central attacking midfielders. We have 2 abaku Orlando Pirates okuDlamini noTito Maswanganyi, mase kuba uSipho Mbule noSinoxolo Kwayiba. Sinoxolo Kwayiba is a young boy. He's a young boy and uyafuna ukulithola ithuba. Wayedlala kahle kakhulu lapha kuChippa United. Hugo Broos wazombiza bayodlala le kuma friendly games. Wadlala kahle umjida wakorayisha igoli. So Orlando Pirates ine talent lapha. Ithole italent elisha. Asazi kule season, but for me I think uTito Maswanganyi it's high time now sikhuluma indaba yakhe. I think umjida kumele athi ukuhlala kancane ebenchini because ayikho phela into esinikeza yona. Ayikho into esinikeza yona currently. For me right now Orlando Pirates kumele yenze sure ukuthi okay, istatisa bani? Istatisa uSipho Mbule. Istatisa uSipho Mbule ebenchini kuhlale mhlambe bakuhlala uSinoxolo Kwayiba le. Ngiyazi abantu abaningi bayizwe lena bike bangizwe kahle. uTito kumele athi ukuhlala kancane kuma stands. Ngiyabona uMakgopa ukuhlala kuma-stands wamsiza kakhulu. uMakgopa wahlala kakhulu kuma-stands bafethu. Mukhumbula kahle uMakgopa wafika kuOrlando Pirates, I think it was back in 2019. I think it was 2019 uMakgopa efika kwi-Pirates. uMakgopa right now is one of the best strikers esinazo. Kwamsiza kakhulu uMakgopa ukuthi ahlale kuma-stand. Tito Maswanganyi I feel like akujwayelanga ukuhlala kuma-stands. Last season he had a short brief ukuthi ahlale kuma-stands waphinde wabuya umjida. If ukhumbula kahle last season umjida angazi noma mhlambe bathi ukulwisana noCojin but ngiyakhumbula uTito wayehleli kuma-stands but wahlala kuma-stands I think 3 games waphinde wabuya yabo. So yena akayijwayele leyo environment uthi ayohlala le phezulu yabo. Right now uTshepo Fasomabasa uhleli kuma-stands. I think naye kumele amlandele kancane khona ezo-understand ukuthi la kula no-Pirates akuzile ukuzodlala, kumele usinikeze 10 out of 10 performance. Cause you saw the game esidlala ne-Sundowns kwathi sekuphuma yona umjida yaqala i-Pirates ayadlala iqalile salimove ibhola okumsebenzi wakhe ukuthi asize team imove ibhola, yena ube Steve khona nje lesikhathi leyo uTito Masango i-receiver khona ibhola angazi lesayitaya adefuna ukuyishaya yabo. Itayile ezani sifuna mfethu kuyokora mfethu, why are you doing that? But ke I'm not trying to put hate on the guy bafethu, umjida ngiyamthanda inhliziyo yami yonke. I'm sure angaze ningibone ngishaya ivideo kanje. uTito Masango ngiyamthanda kakhulu, ngimthanda nje ukudlula wonke umdlalo kwi-Pirates but ngizwe ubhlungu kakhulu ukuthi ngikhulume ngaye kanje. Kumele ashintshe mfethu umjida mfethu, kumele akhuphula amasokisi. I know umdlali lo esimdinga kakhulu kule season nje ku-Betway Premiership yena mdlali u-Orlando Pirates osaskorile. He's the only player for i-Orlando Pirates osakore igoli ku-Betway Premiership. Ngawuthi abanye abadlali bangamlandela bafethu bakora amagoli but ke right now I think uSipho Mbule uzomphuca isinkwa sakhe. Sipho Mbule nje uzomphuca isinkwa sakhe sinoxolo kwayiba naye mela akhuphula amasokisi khona ezokwazi ukuchallenge for that position. I-position kwisquad se-Orlando Pirates le season kumele sibe nabadlali abatop each and every position. Na goalkeeper ngiseza nje Sipho Chain yabo nje udladla angaza ngenze njani ukimpress ucoach but udladla kumele enze sure ukuthi ayithatha leya position because akwazi phela Sipho Chain mfethu ukuthi namanje sisakhala ngaleyo situation. Namanje nyazi situation engikhuluma ya Sipho Chain, kumele nje kwenziwe something, kukhulunywe noma mhlambe siye kwi-market sithole omunye ugoalkeeper. Mina for me I think lama signings esinawo awakaphelile. I think khona la sashoda khona kancane angazi kodwa mhlawumbe ngiyayibhedela but I think khona la sashoda khona kancane. Khona kumele senze some signings before iwindi livalwe because iwindi selizovalwa right now. Njengoba lizovalwa nje iwindi kumele senze sure ukuthi sithole abadlali abatop. Yes, if sign abadlali abaningi kakhulu, yes, but I feel like kusakhona la kushoda khona kancane yabo nje ipalini futhi epalini I think nje samdinga goalkeeper mfethu angazi kanjani but nje I feel like we need a goalkeeper. I'm not saying Sipho Chain is bad but I'm saying we need a backup goalkeeper because when you see it Sipho Chain is a good goalkeeper but let's say he gets injured right now, you cannot tell me uyamthemba Buthelezi. Dladla is still young but I think umjida akwazi ukuvima but hey, anything can happen. Ama games esinawo kule season makhulu kakhulu. We have ama games amakhulu. Silandela iStellies, silandele ngeSundowns yabo. So nje kuningi in a short space of time. So angazi ngempela bafethu ngangitshela uTito Masango do you think uTito Masango ayimela aqala ebenchini manje because into asinikeza yona ayisijabulisi. Do you think umjida kumele ahlale ebenchini kancane noma because sebekhona abadlali esibasayinile right now usenayo competition? Akubonakala phela ukuthi ikhona i-competition. Hawo singathenga abadlali mase behlala ebenchini siqhubeke sidlalise umjida angasinikezi lento esifunayo.